Hi Year 9s, in this video we're looking at what happens when we need to solve an equation that has x's on both sides. So as with every equation we've done so far, our first step is to copy out the question. Now before we had x on one side and that made it quite easy to solve, and so if we could somehow get this x over onto the side of the equals, then it would make it easy for us to solve as well. And the way we're going to do that is by subtracting 3x from both sides. So it cancels out on this side, but on this side we've combined it with our 5x. So 5x minus 3x, that gives you 2x, so we can write down 2x equals, and then on this side 8 is the only thing that's left, so we write 2x equals 8. Now all we have to think about is what do we do with this 2 in order to get x by itself. So because it's timesing with x, we need to do the opposite, which is divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. So those 2's cancel out, and all we're left with is x, and on the other side we've got 4. And that's our final answer. Now if we wanted to check that our answer was correct, we could put 4 back into here instead of x and see what we get. So let's try that. So I'm going to have 5 times, and instead of x, I'm going to write 4. And that equals 20. And the other side, which was 3x plus 8, so I'm going to have 3 times 4 plus 8, and if I put that in my calculator I also get 20, and so I can see that both sides are equal to one another, so my answer is correct as well. Okay, so if you've got any questions, make sure you ask them in class, but otherwise do exercise 14.07 please.